Right, we're back. I've got player 2 ready to join my Foundry session. I'm just on the hosted agent at the moment. We're going to go to configure settings, manage characters. It already says it's linked. That was testing before, so we'll just kick him off. Let's go back. Right, we're going to get a QR code. This is going to be valid for 5 minutes. On this fancy Linux mirror, we're going to scan to link. Foundry knows it's linked. The agent is going to check with the GM, and it's going to say, it's going to let you know what's happened. On the GM screen, generally something comes up. Honestly, sometimes it doesn't, but you can click continue anyway and you are saved. And it's also input. The API key will be saved within within the agent actually, and it'll be used to authorize Foundry. The URL's there, the ID's there, the agent you are assigned is there. We can just double check that. Yeah, Timmy, obviously all good Cyberpunk names only, and that's it. That is it. It's so much easier than it was. Yeah, it's so much easier. It's so much easier than faffing around with typing stuff in. Can I hit him with a bat? Terry again. Great names. Let's get. I mean, I've tried already. I got a good hit on him. Oh, let's just say that hits. You know, I'm going to roll some damage. As the GM, or I guess controller of said screen, you do still need to apply the damage. I might see if like GMs could like maybe control this through their agent. Honestly, anything's possible with the WebSocket PHP relationship I've got going on. So we'll see. Confirm, he's probably dead. Hell yeah. Right, yeah, that covers it for players. In the next video, we'll do city links. Right, welcome back. We're going to have a look at city links, and that is kind of the data pool city web. I think I keep getting the terminology wrong, so don't come at me for that. Yeah, this gives you the ability to create a kind of like 2077 style like interface. It's kind of similar. I mean, it's not really. We'll get there. But yeah, I mean, the idea behind it is pretty cool. This is all lorem ipsum. If you know, you know. But you can also add PDFs, which would be like super interesting if perhaps you wanted to include a map or a flyer or something. Something that was created. This is the form. Actually, why don't we make a fresh one? Let's just get rid of this. Go away. Add a page. Go away. I've created a kind of type called agent data pool, and we can call it whatever we want. Get it connected. Add new link. Let's call it fresh links here. Great. Such creativity. Rich text or PDF. PDF gives you the kind of file upload again, which if you go to user data, you can use the browse to whichever one upload it. Apparently I have the Night City Atlas. Fantastic. Night City Nav. Great. All right, next one. Add another link. I'm going to grab some Latin. Cool. Whack that in there. It's got a kind of like I've kind of used some of the CSS and like markdown styling, so it all, like, especially when you change themes in the agent, it actually stays fairly consistent, which is nice. I'm Latin with Tina. Great. And I guess obviously the castle will be the great thing for that. Don't forget to save it. I always forget to save it. Great. That's kind of that. That's all you need to do. Close that. It's not going to automatically update on the phone. I think you either need to refresh the form, so the little, yeah, there you go. So just hitting that refresh icon at the top will do it. And now you've got just all of it loaded up onto the phone, and the PDF as well. And again, this all comes from the server. You know, this is just parroting what the server has on it. So none of this is on. Perfect. Great. So yeah, that's the CitiNet. I'll probably, I mean, I've got future plans for maybe some sort of chat. It's getting a bit busy on the old icons down the bottom, so I'm gonna have to do some more UI learning, I think, and maybe start moving some of these into press and holds, or we'll see. I'll do some testing. Cool. Right, until next time, I think the next video will likely be sharing agent, self-hosting agent, as I've had a fair few discussions in the Discord with different ways of doing it, and I want to explore those ways. But this is for just your basic shared, Tailscale shared, or however you want to share it. It can just be local, but this doesn't cover that in scope. Version of Foundry, and the agent that I've got hosted at agent.surrealdisco.co.uk, which is free to use. Yeah, hope that helps. See you around.